Hello and welcome back to Unmanned Systems Engineering. In today's video, we're going to be attempting to restore and fly this 5-inch quadcopter. It has a few problems. One of them is the FC is not working correctly, as it does not supply 5 volts via the battery on its own. So we are installing a external 5 volt back that takes power from the battery and supplies it to the flight controller via a JST cable. Okay, so bring it here. Just what are we doing right now?
We calibrating the ESC because we're using mission planner, so we can't really calibrate it like on beta flight because it can't be calibrated inside mission planner. So you got to do it manually using BLHeliSuite. So BLHeliSuite is a software where we can calibrate and flash into our ESC manually, not using the mission planner software for the flight controller. So it's a separate software.
So this is using a 4-in-1 ESC, and we're gonna try to get it running on Autopilot.
So we found a way to program the ESC separately because we're using mission planner from Autopilot. So it can't really, inside Betaflight for example, we can change rotation inside Betaflight itself. But inside Autopilot, inside the mission planner, we can't. So we have to use a separate software called BLHeliSuite 32. So inside BLHeliSuite, it's only used to program the ESC. So we got the ESC now. Let's click to it. Yeah, see that? Yeah. Or multiple ESC in configuration. Yeah. So now we're in the clear. So now we just have to set up a little bit. So we gotta test the ESC, test the motors. Okay. So guys, we got progress. So we got okay. Okay, so we got 2 of the motors to rotate properly. I mean the rotation is, this one is anti-clockwise. We only have this one. This is the only problem. Some reason can't make it work.
Alright, so scrap all that. We're just gonna give up on Autopilot for now. And right now we are installing, we're flashing iNav onto the FC, and we're gonna see how that goes. Right, so right now it's installing, we are using Impulse RC to make the board go into DFU mode, and then we're gonna install, flash the latest iNav firmware on this FC. Okay, we successfully got iNav installed. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it back on the quad. This thing back on the quad and wire it up. It's crazy how... Okay guys, we finally got it working.
Alright. Ready? Let's go. Punching on again. Ready? Let's go. Hovering. Yeah, hovering, hovering,